Welcome everyone, you may have an Xbox Series S controller and when you try and turn it on it's not working. Watch this. So you can see I hold the power button and it will light up for like a split second and you can see it will instantly die. So the reason why this happens is because the batteries inside your controller are dead, plain and simple. So you have two solutions to solve this. First of all, if you have batteries available, you need double A size batteries. What you do is you just go to the back here, and I'll cover if you don't have batteries what to do. And you go to the back, and you slide this off. And you can see here are the batteries which are dead. So these are the ones which will come with the console. And then you can just put in your own AA batteries. These AA batteries are rechargeable. And once we, slide the cover back on, let's try that one more time. And you should be able to see, there we go. This time everything's fully working. I can also see my Xbox, console itself turn on, which is great. Now here's the thing, what if you don't have batteries, but you still want to use your Xbox Series S controller? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove, one of the batteries. So if I try and turn this on, you can see it's not working. And all you need to do is you need a USB Type-C cable. You just need to make sure that that cable is plugged into, the wall, or, a charger, or even your Xbox. And you just plug it in, like so. And then you hold down and you can see, even though there's literally one battery in, I'll just remove both for the sake of showing there's no batteries in. However, the controller is still powering. So all you do this in order to power the controller from the mains. And if you don't have any batteries, this is the best solution you can take. So there it is. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. If you do want to get rid of the battery issue, you can always just buy a battery pack. Bye bye.